Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Excel. So today I'm going to show you how you can connect multiple pivot tables with one single slicing to make the changes in your data set simultaneously across all pivot tables. So here I have a set of data using a table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select any of the cells. I'm going to press insert, go make a pivot table. This is all the same, you already know about it. It's okay. So here we're in our pivot table sheet and we have our pivot table fields. So I'm going to create 3 different pivot tables first. So first one is going to be here. Now I'm going to copy it. I'm going to make another pivot table, but this time I'm also going to add the reps. So what this shows is the cells according to the representatives. Now I'm going to make another pivot table, which is going to be now let's say for example based on items. Okay, fantastic. Now what I want to do is I want to create a slicer. So the slicer will be on region. I'm going to right click on region and edit a slicer. Okay, so we have our slicer, nothing new, normal thing. So if we click on the slicers, you can see the change is only done on only one table. But what if I want to add this change in all these things, the total, the row labels, the name of the reps, the name of the items, in all 3 tables at one single click of this, and this. What can I do? It's very simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in this option. It's the slicer tool option. Click the options. Then here you can see there is a report connection. Click on it. After clicking on it, here you have option of the other 2 tables that are present in this sheet. So we have connection in pivot table 8, which is this item. We don't have connection with these 2 others, so we're going to press on this tick marks and press OK. So what it does is it has connected this slicer, the region label slicer, with the 3 other pivot tables. So if I press central, now it's going to change the total revenue in central region, the total revenue of all the reps in this region, and the total items that were sold in this region. So you know 1,11,139.07 has been total revenue, but how many reps sold it is also shown here, and what items contributed to this cell, it is also shown here. If I press east, it shows the cell breakdown based on reps and the items. If I press west, it does the same for those things in west region. So that's how you can connect multiple tables in one slicer. I hope this helps. Thank you.